Have you ever felt someone slowly slipping away from you? The messages get shorter, her tone turns colder, and the girl who used to light up at your name now barely reacts. It hurts, but what cuts deeper isn't just her lose interest. It's losing the version of yourself that once felt wanted and important. But here's what most guys miss. When a woman pulls away, it doesn't always mean she's gone for good. It usually means the emotional pull she once felt has faded. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to shift that energy, reignite the spark, and become so magnetic that she feels your absence like a void and gets pulled right back in. Stay with me till the end, because I'll share one mindset shift that not only brings her back, but flips the game so that this time she's the one chasing you. Let's dive in. And before we start, tell me in the comments, which country are you watching from? Step 1, stop chasing her. Start reclaiming yourself. Let's face it, every time you try to patch things up, it only seems to push her further away. She backs off. And your first reaction? You call, you text, you try to explain, thinking you can fix it. But the harder you chase, the more she slips. Why? Because showing you need her just confirms her decision to disconnect. That's not how high-value men move. Instead of pouring energy into someone who's pulling away, they take a step back. They stop trying. They stop explaining. They get quiet, not out of anger, but to reset the tone. It's a way of saying, I'm not here to convince you of my worth. You're not punishing her. You're reclaiming your own presence. And here's the key. Silence stirs curiosity. When you're not blowing up her phone or trying to prove something, she starts to feel your absence. That absence reminds her your attention wasn't guaranteed, it was earned. And now, she's the one left wondering if she made the wrong call. Step 2, elevate your life in visible ways. She doesn't just lose interest in you. She loses interest in the version of you that's become predictable, stuck, or emotionally dependent. So it's time to change that. Start making progress she can actually see. Hit the gym, improve your style, or focus on a new project. But don't flood her with selfies or brag about it. Show your growth through subtle actions and stories that highlight your transformation. Make yourself someone who's evolving beyond reach but still magnetic. When she notices you becoming a man others admire and respect, she'll start wondering, did I give up on him too soon? Coming up next, a psychological trick that makes her miss you, even if she's already with someone else. Step 3, use trigger memories to resurface emotion. You don't have to reach out directly. Instead, gently remind her of the special moments you once shared. How? By using subtle triggers that spark those feelings again. Maybe post a lyric from a song she once sent you, visit a spot that meant something to both of you, and share a casual story about it, or mention a phrase only you two used to say. Keep it low-key and haunting, not obvious. These little reminders awaken the emotions she tucked away. She'll start feeling the excitement, the butterflies, the inside jokes all over again. And slowly, the walls she built around herself begin to crack. But remember, nostalgia alone won't bring her back. Coming up next, why your new energy needs to feel completely different and irresistible. Step 4, become the man she no longer recognizes. When she loses interest, it's often because she feels she's already seen and understood everything about you. Familiarity kills attraction. So it's time to break the pattern. Start being unpredictable. If you used to reply immediately, learn to pause. If you were always agreeable, practice saying no. If you were soft, add a bit of mystery and edge. Women are wired to chase what feels just beyond their grasp. Give her that emotional jolt in a good way. Make her wonder, what happened to the guy who used to orbit around me? This shift in your vibe is what opens the door for attraction to come back in. If this video resonates with you, drop a yes in the comments. Let's create a community of men who stop pleading and start evolving. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it today. For now, subscribe and check out this quick video next.